Hello, namaste everyone. Myself Pooja Gupta and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. It's day 18 of our lead code consistency and we are consistent from last 17 days. So let's continue to the next question. And for today, I took a question from a lead code and the question number is 566 and the question title is Reshape the Matrix. Okay. So first, the intuition we get from the question title is that reshape the matrix. Before going through the description, I always tell you to describe a kind of an intuition or a rough diagram, a rough idea, or a rough perception about the question, that what the question will tell you and what you have to do. Okay, so reshape the matrix. So maybe it's 2 by 2 matrix, it's 2D matrix, and you have to convert it into one dimensional, or the matrix will be 3 by 2 and you have to convert it into 4 by 3 by 2, it means 6 element. Okay, so maybe in 2 by 3 or 6 by 1 or 1 by 6 kind of thing. Okay, this kind of matrix, this is the what the reshape matrix I think it will be. Okay, now it's an easy level of question. In matlab, okay, in matlabi dunya, in matlab, there is a handy function called reshape, which can reshape an m into n matrix into a new one with a different size r into c, keep its original data. Okay, so according to my rough idea, what I think that there is a matrix which will which of m into n or 2 into 1 matrix and convert it into any 1 into 1 kind of a thing. Okay, so similarly, this is what the handy function called a reshape do. A m into n matrix will be reshaped into r into c matrix and keep its original data. Yeah, as we are working with the data, so we have to maintain the original data. Okay, now you have given m into n matrix met. Okay, so we are given with the m into n matrix met. Please guys, ignore the surrounding sound, there's also surrounding sound in my background, so please focus on my voice. Okay, so you are given an m into n matrix met and the two integers r and c representing the number of rows and columns uh, of the wanted reshape matrix. Okay, so r and c will be the row and column and met will be the matrix which is given to you. Okay, now the reshape matrix should be filled with all elements of the original matrix in the same row, traversing order as they were. Okay, so we have to also maintain what we want to also maintain the traversing order. It means what is the traversing order? First we need. Okay, so let's consider it's a 2D matrix, two dimension, 2 by 2 matrix, and here's a 1, 2, 3, and the 4, and I have to convert into 1 by 4. It was 1 row and 4 column. Okay, or 1D matrix. Okay, now I have to maintain the traversing order. Traversing order, what is the traversing order? If I am traversing with the 2D matrix, so and I will be traverse row by row. Okay, so the first what the first element come, this one, that first row first column, first row second column, then after the this row will ends, all the elements of this row will ends, then what will, I will go to the second row, so second row will be first column, second row second column. This is how the I traverse with the two-dimensional matrix. Okay, now I have to maintain the same order for this matrix. So what will be the insertion order? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So having the same traversing order. Okay, now continue with the question. Okay, so the reshape matrix should be filled with all elements of the original matrix in the same row, traversing order as they were same as were as they were. Okay, now the same. Okay, if the reshape operation with the given parameter is possible and legal, output the new reshaped matrix, otherwise the output of the original matrix. Now this is the ace or the card which will turn hold the game. Okay, This is the thing. If now let's, I think I have a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, now I wanted to reshape into 3 into 4 matrix. Would it possible that we can reshape 2 by 2 matrix into 3 by 4? No. Why it is not possible? Because a 2 by 2 matrix having 4 elements, and if we wanted to make a that element 2 by 2 element matrix to 3 by 4, then it will took totally 12 elements, not to 4. So there's a lack of 8 elements. That's why we are unable to convert a 2 by 2 matrix to 3 by 4 matrix. I think you got get my point that why it will not. Okay, similarly, if we wanted to convert a 3 by 3 matrix into 4 by 3 matrix, would it possible? No, because 3 by 3 is a 9 and 3 by 4 will be a 12 matrix. So there is also lack of 3 elements. That's why it is not possible. Okay, but is 4 by 1 matrix can be converted into 1 by 4 matrix? Yes, it is possible. Is 4 by 1 matrix will be converted to be 2 by 2 matrix? Yes, it's possible. If you carefully observe the thing that a 1 by 4 is converted into 1 by 4 1, and a 4 1 will convert into 2 by 2. There is a one common thing between all these things, that is a number of elements. If the number of elements in the given matrix and the desired matrix will be same, so it is possible to convert one matrix to the another matrix. If there is a small lag between that, at least a one element or two element observation between the matrix, so it will be not possible. Okay, so we have to focus on the thing that how the matrix element will be. Okay, now. Okay, so now continue with the example. So for example one, what is that array? So here is giving a two-dimensional array, 2D array, and it's of 2 by 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements in this array. Okay, array 1, example 1. Now input is what? Input is the two-dimensional array of a 2 by 2 order, and we have to convert it one row and 4 column. It means a one-dimensional array. Okay, now how is it? Okay, so it is converted into one dimensional array, and it is maintaining its order, that 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. Okay, now in example 2, okay, the same and same is given, the same input and the same output. Okay, now matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, 4 element, and the desiring that 2 row and 4 column matrix they are desired, and which is not possible since there is only 4 elements in this array, in mat array, and R2 and the C4 will having what, 8 elements, so which is not possible. Okay, so it was giving the same as they are saying in there, that if the reshape operation of the parameter is possible and legal, output will be a new reshaped matrix, otherwise the output will be the original matrix. Okay, now the constant, so M will be the matrix of the given will be M, and Ni will be the length of the rows, and Mn will be the I and J will be the positions of the matrix, and there is any element in the matrix between 1 minus 1000 to plus 1000 in the row and column. So matrix having any, so new matrix having any number of rows and column. Okay, so this is what the question describes. Now continue with the boilerplate code. Okay, so first what is it, what they are saying, that first we'll check this, that int size, okay, will be met dot length into met 0 dot length. Okay, now if size will equal to r into c is not equal to r into c, this is what, that if 2 by 2 matrices want to reshape into what, reshape into 2 by 4, then just return what, return met, simply. Now if this is not possible, then what we have to do, we have to just change, we have to create a one dimensional matrix name mat1 and new in, and its length will be r into c. Okay, now I'll get for loop and I equals to 0, I is less than equal to met dot length minus 1 and I plus plus, and after that for loop and j equals to 0, j is less than equal to met I dot length minus 1 and j plus plus. Okay, now I will also take one k which is used for indexing in the met1. So met1 k equals to met I and j. Okay, now this is what it will what this will happen. What is this section will run? First of all, a one dimensional mat is created and k equals to 0 is here to for the indexing of the mat one. Okay, now after this I am just taking two loops to convert the mat which is the original given array to the one dimensional array. Okay, now this will convert the mat array into one dimensional mat one array. Now I will create a new two dimensional array which is will be mat2 and new int, and the row and column will be r and c, and we're writing r and c, and r and c are the which is given in the question given as a parameters to the matrix reshape. Okay, now I will again k equals to 0 because and here k plus plus. Okay, now I will just putting here k equals to 0 because I want to just put it I equals to 0, I is less than equal to r minus 1 I plus plus, and that's it. Now 4 and j equals to 0, j is less than equals to c minus 1 and j plus plus, and after that what I will just do met2 I and j will contain what? It will contain met once k. Okay, now after that just k plus plus, and that's it. It will convert while the one dimensional met array to the two dimensional desired dimension r into c kind of met 2, and at last just return what? Met 2, and that's it. Okay, it will return met 2, and here is the mat 2, and my both the cases are accepted here like as usual. Now ready to submit the code and accept it. Okay, so yeah, 1 millisecond is the runtime and the memory occupation is 45 MB, and the beat percentage for the code is the optimization, that is 77%, and it's 89% of people, almost 90% of the people, yeah, almost 90, you can say almost 90. Okay, so for this question I am clear with the description and also the code. If you have any query regarding any part of the code, please comment down, I will definitely help you. And yeah guys, it's the 17 of it's the 18 of our coding consistency. So please like, share and subscribe my video, and if you have any query regarding DSA code, DSA topics, especially regarding array, so please tell me in my comment in the description, in comment box. I will definitely clear it. And if you wanted to make any separate video regarding the arrays for a particular type of thing, a particular question, so please tell me in the comment box. I will definitely create a video for that topic. Okay, so for today I am done with this question in the DSA series consistency. Now your duty is to like, share and subscribe my video with full thumbs up video, and that's it. Bye bye for bye bye for today. Tata.